Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. This video is a hopefully short little demo about setting up Vertex AI to do kind of a chatbot-like thing. Um, Essentially, we're going to be using Vertex AI Conversations, which is a subset of Vertex AI that you can use to easily set up things like chatbots without delving too deeply into how to build these models, right? Again, this class is all about basically using the services that are available to us. If you want to go into a deep dive into AI, generative AI, that kind of fun stuff, that's a separate class. But let's go ahead and take a peek here. So interestingly, I've got Vertex AI Workbench open here. I was trying to get a demo working for a different one, and everything had been deprecated, and none of the codelab stuff worked. So that's a good time. All right, so Vertex AI Conversation. Just looking for it in here. Maybe it's called chat now. Okay, so I've got a bunch of stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So we need to have the Dialogflow API enabled. I don't think I have this one enabled. Yep, not in this project. Okay, so I know about that go. Vertex AI. Also, I'm going to need, I think I've got these ones. I do not. Okay, so the reason why I was a little unsure is I went to Vertex AI and I clicked the Enable All APIs button, and I assumed they were all enabled, but apparently this is a separate thing to the standard Vertex AI, which is good to know. Okay, so Dialogflow is on, AI Agent Builder. Okay, not sure why that's having issues, but it should be enabled, so that's good. Alrighty, everything is active. So let's create a chat app. Okay, so think of this like a chatbot where you are going to a website and an AI talks to you. Okay, so Vertex AI Conversation Console. Just going to drag this over here. Dialogflow Console. I probably had these open already, but let's go ahead here. All right, so new app, done with the tutorial. What type of app do you want to build? Okay, to the document flow. Conversation agent. Oh, chat. Okay. Let's call this CIS655 company. Agent name, chat-bot. Sorry, had a minor interruption there. So I am creating my chatbot. I'm going to pick my region. Let's go Central 1. Not supported. Cool. Let's go to Central 1's the only option I've got. All right, so I'm going to create that. That is good, I think. I need a data store. It's cloud storage, and I think I already have a storage bucket, so from the rag demo, which I never used, so we can go ahead and use that. All right, we want it unstructured, continue, data store name, Google Store, lovely. Great. All right, looks like there's some slight things that are weirdly out of order here. So created that. Now let's go to our Dialogflow, W25 tester. Okay, create agent, auto generate, build your own, provide the URL. So we didn't have to do this. Interesting. Oh, you can do either. Okay, I didn't go through this web before. I just kind of wanted to go and see some of the issues you might have. So we don't have to worry about Dialogflow, I don't think, for this. So we already created all this stuff. Oh, I didn't set the correct storage folder, so that's my bad. All right, so let's go ahead and create a data store, cloud storage, and that is our sample. Okay, this is called Google Store. create. Take up to 4 hours for your documents to be available. Oh boy. All right, so we are going to use this one. Hopefully that's which 61 is greater than 52. Hopefully the new one's the one that was selected. I don't get any detail there. All right, good enough. Next. The Vertex AI conversation console. Okay. Click the name of your apps. Test agents. There are no apps yet. Already created. What do you mean I haven't created an app? I did do this. All right. Did I not click finalize? I'm guessing I didn't click finalize. All right, I'm going to pause. I will recreate this and I'll be right back. So all of you that are watching probably realize, hey, there's a big create button right there that you didn't click. Yeah, got nothing. Something went wrong. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Internal error already exists in the project. Okay. Well, if it already exists, then it should be in here, right? Let's try it again, shall we? Let's try this. Google Store Rhetorics. Google Store Rhetorics. It's going to leave it as multi-region out of pure laziness. Create data store, cloud storage, GS, unstructured, good, data store, Google Store dash Rhetorics. Let's try it with some very specific information. Great. Okay, it worked. Good. All right, let's go ahead and test our agents. Okay, so this is our data store. Okay, so let's go to Dialogflow CX, Dialogflow. This is the documentation. I don't want to go to that page. This is one of the fun bits where they change the pages around. I'm going to call this. Let's just go back to apps and see what we see here. Chats. Okay. Hey, there's Dialogflow. Okay. Very dissatisfied. Go away. Okay. Let's test our agent. Okay, I don't want to go that for now. So our default flow. Model training completed. Positive. Okay. Where did test agent go? Manage. Oh, of course. If I make this bigger, is the text? Ah, there's the test. Okay. Icons. I love icons. Okay, type a greeting. Let's talk to our agent. Hello there. Hello, how can I? Okay, it kind of works. Is the Pixel watch water resistant? I'm not sure. Are you a smart or a dumb AI? No. Anything else I can help you with? Can you please automatically fix the code lab I used to create you? Because it is mildly out of date in places, even though it was made in 2024. Two possible things going on here. Either it hasn't indexed the documents like it said, it could take up to 4 hours to do, or it's just a poor model. Let's do Google products. Okay. Yeah, it hasn't indexed yet. If your agent is giving you responses, be aware it can take up to 4 hours. Yeah, I'm not waiting 4 hours for this to work. Okay, but we can also add voice calls, add widgets, look at analytics. I'm not going to do the rest of this because it's already frustrating enough with the mildly different interfaces. Again, it's not bad. It's just me not fully reading the lab. But if you want to play with chatbots inside Google Cloud, this code lab will get you started at the very least. Again, like with all of the AI-based demos, videos, all the random things I've done. It depends on how good your model is. Obviously, this one is going to be mainly focused on Google products, so Pixel phones, watches, earbuds, that kind of thing. But other than that, let's see, this video is now quite long without chopping it up. So I'll end it here. Feel free to play with this. Again, keep in mind if you are doing this code lab, as always, I would recommend having it in a separate project, which I probably should have mentioned at the outset because honestly, you probably don't want this stuff consuming your credits just up and running if it's going to be consuming resources. But hope you all have a delightful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.